Introduction to Basic Abstraction. The first issue we will discuss is the need for higher level abstractions than the ones provided by the network. The core of any distributed system is a set of algorithms. These algorithms implement different kinds of distributed services. And it is implemented as middleware between the network and the operating system and the application. And reliable application, fault-tolerant application, will need an underlying services that are stronger than network protocols like TCP and UDP. So here we see this is the network provided by the operating system, and here is the application level. And between these, we have core distributed services implemented by distributed algorithms. So why do we need distributed abstraction? First of all, network protocols aren't enough. Network protocols provides point-to-point communication services. So the reliability guarantees, for example, for TCP, only offered for one-to-one communication. This is typical for, say, client-server application. But in many applications, we are talking about group of processes, group of machines. So in this course, we are going to cover a number of reliable services that are used for group communication, not only for one-to-one process communication. For example, we will cover reliable broadcast, causal order broadcast, and total order broadcast. There are also other types of abstractions that we need to build distributed application, not only communication abstraction. For example, in many applications, we would like to provide over a distributed system a distributed form of shared memory. Or we would like to have some form of agreement between different processes, or in the case of a distributed database, we would like to implement an atomic commit, which is a form of agreement. Also, maybe we would like to have reliable service by implementing a replicated state machine. It is a service that is replicated over multiple machines, so that if one dies, the other machines could continue. So here's an example of an abstraction, a service abstraction, reliable broadcast. So what do we have? We have a group of processes. These group of processes can broadcast message to each other. And we want to ensure that if a message is sent to a group of processes, it is received by all or by none, so that the view of all processes are the same. Another type of distributed abstraction is atomic commit, which is a form of an agreement, again, between a set of processes. We want to ensure that all the processes will reach the same decision on whether, say, to commit a database transaction or to abort a transaction.